Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about file conversion. In this video, I will show you on how to turn any video file to MP3 audio file using VLC media player without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to select your VLC media player, press enter key on your keyboard, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to media right here. Having click on media, come down below right here and navigate to convert stroke save, click on that, and this is going to pop up right here. First thing first, you need to make sure you drag in the file that you want to, the video file that you want to convert to MP3, and for that, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here, and it's going to open your dialog box right here. So what you need to do here is to select the video file you want to use. Like for instance, take a look at this. This is a video file right here, so I'm going to select on it. Then go ahead and hit on open. Then you have it right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here. Go ahead and click on convert or save. Then here we go. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here. Go ahead and click on convert or save. And then here we go. So here, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and come to profile section right here. Click on profile. Then from profile, what you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you look for audio MP3. Once you click on audio MP3, then destination file, go ahead and click on browse right here. So when you click on browse, then you have to choose the location of the file. So I'm going to take this to my desktop right here, and I'm taking it to my backup folder. Then I'll go ahead and you can see the container file is MP3. Then go ahead and click on save right here. So once you click on save, you have it right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on start. So after a successful conversion, so let's go ahead and then look for the file. So I have the file saved to my backup folder, and for that, I want to go ahead now and click on my backup file right here. Then here we go, we have the file right here. So if I click on the file now, press enter, let's play the file. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay 2.6, and in this video I will show you how to check if your Alipay is fully verified. So let's go. Very first thing you want to do is to open up the Alipay app. So that is the audio file. Let me quickly show you the video file. So I'll go back to my folder right here. So I have the video file right here. Alipay verification. So this is the video file right here. So let's play the video file. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay 2.6. So you can see the video file displayed as MP4 right here. It's that simple. So this is how to convert any video file to audio or MP3 file using your VLC file media player. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about file conversion like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.